Let me show you how to find lookalike leads that look like any other lead or any other company you want to reach out to, right? So go to this app called LeadsForce, sign up, and then click lookalikes. This will help us find lookalike leads that are similar to your existing clients. Now, it has two other options, but I covered them in other videos, so if you want, just check out the channel. But for now, click on lookalikes, and now you'll want to add couple company domains that are similar to your ideal customer's profile, right? It will use those domains to find lookalike leads. So for example, let's say instantly.ai, smartly.ai, heyreach. All right, so we added a couple of companies. Let's send it. And just like that, we have 5,000. Wow. 5,000 companies. Now what we can do is exclude the domains we want to exclude, filter out by location, let's say United States of America, right? Funding stage, category, company size, let's say this and this, right? And then select how many companies you want. Now for this example, I'd say let's do 10. To the enrichment, and from the 10 companies we got 86 leads. What we can do now is click enrich, find those leads LinkedIn and work email, export this information, and we'll have data that looks like this that we can use to actually reach out to those people. Now if you want to see how to actually start reaching out to those people with hyper personalized cold emails without writing anything yourself, I suggest you take a look at this video.